I'm alive. Here we are. It is the Kent Press Scrum. We have Sam, we have Michael, and Lokesh. Let us have, shall we, an update from Michael. You were here first. Michael, how are things going with you?
Good. I was in the mob session this morning.
Mm-hmm.
That went okay. I'm gonna have to unfortunately take my PC to be repaired.
Oh dear. Is there something wrong with the PC?
Yeah. It's not turning on. I think the power supply is fried or something. But I have like coverage.
Okay. Oh well, good luck. Good luck with that. Anything else blocking you, or any other plans?
No.
All right. Let's go on to Lokesh. Hey, Lokesh, how are you doing? You're muted at the moment if you're trying to say, hey, Lokesh.
Yeah, so I was successful in completing the pull request.
Great.
Of website 1, solving the issue that Hangout link is outdated.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so
wonderful.
I just made one extra change, which is that even if we added the link before, added a link 10 minutes before the event has to start, then also it will be working. Then also it will show join now.
Okay. Yes. Well, let's have a look at that more closely in the website 1 planning meeting coming up. But great work on getting that done. Fantastic. Anything else blocking you? Any other plans?
No.
All right. Great stuff. Raphael is also here. Hey, Raphael, how are things going with you?
Hey, good, thanks. I hope you can hear me okay.
Yep, all loud and clear.
Yeah, awesome. On a different computer, that's all. I not too much to report at the moment. I've basically just stubbed out the unit tests, and I'll slowly be working through those stubs and making them real tests. Async photo, of course.
Great. And you had a bit of a session with Robert yesterday.
It was more of an informal chat than anything, and we kind of went over a few things. We didn't really get a chance to. We talked about a few tools. He had to go unexpectedly,
sure.
So we didn't get a chance to progress with any work too much. But as I said, I've got the stubs there, so it's just a matter of slowly filling those things out as quickly as possible. Yeah.
All right. Good show. That leaves me. So I've managed to just force myself to get the mailings out for the MOOC and things, and I'm doing a terrible job at that at the moment. I'm so behind. I have just asked lads if someone will help me do it, and I've got a volunteer for helping me do that, which would be great. So there we go. That's good. I just seem to be bogged down in doing paperwork for different contracts and things. The main achievement really is getting the whole InVision app hosted on GitHub Pages. If you go to why.agileventures.org, you can see the whole thing working, and it links through to our main site. So that's quite pleasing. That's about the size of it. Coming up, we've got the website 1 kickoff meeting. I haven't scheduled the autograders meeting, as I haven't done for a little while now. I think the courses are finished. Repeat the link. Sure. Yes. Let me type it in somewhere sensible. Gosh, my brain is it's the end of the week.
So,
go on, Michael.
why.agileventures.org. It's there's something with at least on my end with.
You're having problems with that link?
Yeah, Safari or Chrome.
Oh, really? That's interesting. It works in Safari and Chrome for me. Can you share your screen and show us what kind of problem you're having?
It's working for me, just a side note.
Thanks, Rafael. I hope Lokesh, if it's working for you. You're having the issue here, Michael. Oh, you're getting your connections. Yeah, remove the S. It needs to be just HTTP raw. Interestingly, GitHub Pages, if you use a custom domain, it will not let you do HTTPS
at all.
No.
Huh.
But otherwise, it should. The particular thing now is that if you scroll down and you click on the jobs, it should, although rather clunkily, redirect you to the sign-up page.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah. So it's all a bit clunky, but
why is it redirecting?
Sorry, say how or why?
Yeah, why is it redirecting?
Yes, well, I read an exciting blog post all about this morning. Really exciting for me. Anyone else will enjoy it, but yeah. So this was. So what we've got with this Envision app is that what does it do? It tries to redirect to like some endpoint called redirect, which doesn't exist.
Oh.
And so what I've done is I've used a Jackal redirect plugin because GitHub Pages is all served by Jackal. So if I have a page called redirect.html that takes the redirect from redirect, this is the endpoint that the Envision app tries to hit, and then I say send that to here, and if critically I have like a trailing slash on here, this is that's the one. Without that, it just doesn't work at all.
So is it all because, like, when we're clicking on this link, it's going to redirect? It's not going to...
Yeah, it's not going directly to this. It's all JavaScript under the hood. And so for this... Oh, I lost it now.
And that's because you're...
Well, we're basically in a big JavaScript app here. And when we want to click on stand-ups, right, it's kind of interpreting the click, and then it's working out like which different screen to display, and you can see the URL change there. So it kind of it's we've taken here a dump of the thing that works on the Envision app instance. So they've got whatever peculiarities they have based around how they decided to publish their apps originally, and for whatever reason that makes sense for them, when they added the feature to allow a link to go to an external URL, they did it through some redirect endpoint, presumably I imagine for their tracking purposes. But which translated directly across, didn't work on GitHub Pages, but with that little thingy-pokey, which requires also, I may note, this to pull in this gem to do Jekyll redirection. It now works. So that's our Scrum. Anything else that we need to arrange or coordinate? If not, I will see at least some of you in the, I forgot what it's called, the Website One planning meeting coming up very soon.
Thanks, Sam. Thanks, everyone.
Bye for now. Take care.